Hi friends, welcome to Situ's Biology and Creativity. Today our creativity is about how to make paper phone stand in very easy method. In this way we have to use that paper phone stand. Let's start the procedure. Here we have to take any one colored paper. So here I was taken the sky blue colored A4 size paper and just fold the paper in the way what I am showing in this video. In this way you have to fold the paper. After folding the paper, just fold the left side of the paper in the way what I am showing in this video. Like this you have to fold the paper. After folding the left side corner, just go to the right side corner of the paper and fold the paper in the same way what we have folded in the left side. In this way we have to fold the paper for the one side of the paper, two corners, that is right and left corners. In the next we have to turn our paper to the other side. In the side also we have to fold the both right and left corners in the same way what we have folded for the other side of the paper. In this way we have to fold the paper. Just observe the way how I am going to fold the paper in this way. If you fold like this without any discomfort, you can get the very stiff and easy easy pen stand, phone stand over here, and mark the edges of the paper where I was kept the marking in the paper. Just observe the marking where I was kept and mark the paper with the help of the sketch and scale like this. After marking the paper like this, just turn the paper in your convenient way and with the help of the scale just fold the paper like this way you have marked with the sketch. Like this you have to fold the paper. After folding the paper, just open the paper. In that fold only you have to fold the corners of the paper in this way what I am showing in this video for the left and the right corners of the paper like this. So now we have completed the edges of foldings of the paper like this. After folding, just turn the paper into the opposite side. Later we can observe the foldings over there, and I am going to mark the edges over here. Like this you have to mark. After marking the paper, just fold the paper like this where I was kept the mark. In this way we have to fold the paper to either corners of the paper, that is right and left corners of the paper. After folding the paper like this, so we have folded. So turn the paper into the opposite side and mark the paper with the help of the sketch where I am going to mark over here. After marking the paper like this, where I was marked, just fold the paper in the opposite corners with the help of the scale. Why we are going to use the scale means for proper folding of the paper without any irregular foldings. So with the help of the scale we are going to fold the paper in this way. So in this way we have to fold the paper. So the foldings of the paper was completed. Later we have to remove the folds. So now we are going to remove the folds like this. After removing the folds, just take the sketch or any pen over here. Just mark the paper how I am going to mark the paper in this way at these positions. With the help of the scale, just join the lines in that markings like this. Why we are going to mark the paper means for our regular where we have to fold the paper. For that information we are going to mark the paper. After marking, just fold the paper in the marking. Like this we have to fold the paper to the either edges or either positions or either corners of the paper like this. So the foldings of the paper was completed like this. Just turn the paper after folding the paper, then just draw the line where I was kept the mark with the help of the sketch and the pen. After drawing the line, just fold the paper in the direction only. See how I am going to fold the paper over here. So like this we have to fold the paper. So the folding of the paper was completed now. Just turn the paper in the opposite direction and fold the paper into the half like this, what I am showing over here. So after folding the paper, just turn into the other direction and fold it into the half of the paper what was folded for the other way. So just fold the paper in the way. See where I am going to fold the paper and how I am going to fold the paper in which direction. Like this we have to fold the paper. This is the final step of making the phone stand. Like this we have to fold the paper. Later we have to pull the paper into the opposite side of the paper like this. Later the down of the paper what we are going to see over here, that was pull it down like this and stretch the paper in this direction. So finally our phone stand was completed like this. So it was very easy method, and it was, if we use the stiffed paper then we can get the strong phone stand. If we use a light paper it is very delicate. Here I was using the stiff paper, that is A4 sized color paper. Before I was shown the white phone stand also, that was a very thickened paper, but for making you visible clearly I was taken here the sky blue colored paper. So here our stands are ready. That is the white color one was very stiff because I was taking the stiff white color paper there. So in this way we have to prepare the phone stand, which is very useful for us.
I think
to
you
keep
like
our
this
phone
food creativity.
in
If you
two
like the video, please
directions.
do subscribe, share, and like. Thank you so much.